Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, our subject is computer fundamentals, and in this subject, we are going to learn about the basics about the computers, and also some practical portion is there, like where we are going to learn about the how we can create the document in Word and all the other things. You can check the syllabus on Moodle. I have already uploaded it, so you'll get an idea that actually what all the topics and the features we are going to study. So let's quickly recall all the points we discussed in the last lecture. So this image is of a computer, and we all are very much very aware about the what is computer and what is the computer system, right? So here there are different parts of the computer which is already labeled. Like here we have monitor. Here we have, normally we called it a CPU, right? We called it a CPU. Also sometimes we call it a system unit. Here we have keyboard, and this is the mouse. So can anyone tell me which one is the output unit or output device?
Monitor is the output device.
Yeah, so this is your output device. Which one is input device?
Mouse and keyboard.
Yeah, this is your input device. Normally we consider mouse as an optical device, but yeah, it is also input because we send the click to the processor. Yes, and this is CPU. CPU is what?
Processing device, ma'am.
Yes, it's a processing device, right? This is the processing device. So हमें पता है, even we know that what is input, what is output, and what is process. We have already discussed these three terms in detail, right? Anyone can give the example of input, process, output? Anyone? Any real time example or day to day life example? Any example? Share quickly. We have studied, right? What is input, what is output, and what is process, right? We have studied this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So okay. Give me example. Any real time example you can share. We discussed so many different examples, right? Yes, Praful.
Ma'am, scanner is an input device, as a,
Yes, yes.
and our headphone, hands-free, earbud is the output device.
Very good. Uh, Very good. My question is, give the example of input, process, and output. Like this is input, this is process, and this is output. So many different examples we discussed. Remember about the pizza and pav bhaji we discussed?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
food, ma'am,
No. Please don't give the example of the food. Give some other example.
like mobile or Android phone.
Hmm.
When we type, so that is a input device. When we type our something in keyboard is input device, and in the phone there is something process. I do not know very much about the
Hmm. Hmm.
what is the processing unit in phone,
Hmm.
but there is something. And now we are watching a screen. This is output devices for us.
True, that we can say. Very good. Again, my question is, give some real time example कि भाई मैम अगर ये हम कर रहे हैं, suppose you want to do something, pick any task, pick any job and think कि okay इसमें this portion is input, this portion is process, and this portion is your output. Remember the example of tea? we discussed. Remember? Like when I say that I want tea, that means tea, the final, when you get the cup of tea, that is your output. But what input you need to give to it? Tea, milk, sugar, water, right? So these are the inputs. And when you boil the water, when you add the all the ingredients, and finally that called the process. So this type of example I want from you people. Any real time example. McDonald. Yes.
આપણે પ્રિન્ટિંગ મશીનને જે આપણે કાગળ નાખીએ છીએ ઇનપુટ થયું અને પછી અંદર
Hmm.
પ્રોસેસ થાય અને પછી બહાર નીકળે એને આઉટપુટ કહેવાય.
Yeah, right. When we send the paper, it's a printer, right? So when you give the input is your paper as well as the command which you are giving from your computer to print something, right? So two inputs you are giving. One is your paper, one is the content. Then अंदर कुछ भी process होता है and finally you get your copy printed, right? Very good example. Very good. Is this concept clear to everyone? Input, process, and output,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. So we are done with the input, output, and process thing. Monitor, we know, right? हम all the time we use these devices. When I talk about the okay, see when I say mobile phone, so this is your mobile phone. This is your screen. Here you have a keyboard, a keypad, right? So what is this? This is your ultimately monitor or the screen. So this is your output screen. This keyboard or a keypad is your input portion or a input component, input section. और अंदर कुछ ना कुछ होता होगा, right? That we call the processing unit, right? So this is about the example of the mobile, and this is your monitor. Now see this. Here we have many different examples of the input and the output devices. So here you have many input devices and the output devices. So see, let's quickly recall all the things. Keyboard, input device, yes, you can enter the data. Optical pen, you can write the one which I am right now I'm using. This is my optical pen. Then there is a joystick. Normally you use this when you are playing the game. Then you have a scanner, right? Suppose you have some old copy of the photographs or any document you want to send to someone. You go for scanning. So this is the scanner, because ultimately we are giving the input, right? Barcode reader, you must have seen this barcode reader in the malls, and when you go for the shopping, वहाँ पे एक barcode होता है, you just scan it. So this is your barcode. So all these components or the devices are the input devices. Input मतलब कहाँ पे देते हैं? Ultimately we give input to the system. System means your computer, right? So these are the all your input devices. Then we have the different output devices. अब हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है that output devices means what? When you give input, कुछ process होता है and finally you get something. So to get something, where you can get it? Headphone, you can listen the music. Headset, same. Screen, your monitor where you can view the things, right? Printer, जैसे कि अभी बात की, in the printer you can get the printed copies. Here is a plotter. Plotter actually एक बहुत बड़ा machine होता है where you can get the copies of the plots designs. Then different types of printers. Inkjet printer is there. Speaker is also the output device. Okay, यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt है? Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In between, there are some in common area. Here there is a common area where you can find few devices which can work as a input devices as well as an output device, just like a digital camera. Can anyone explain that why digital camera can be as an input and output device. How? एक ही डिवाइस कैसे इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइस दोनों की तरह काम कर सकता है? Anyone?
Ma'am, when we give the command to click the photo, it clicks the photo and shows the output of our photo.
Yes, because in the digital camera, when you capture something, ultimately you are giving the input, right? जो भी सामने object है, when you grab it, so that is your input. But after clicking the photo, you can view the photo on the screen, that is your output. And so we can say that this is your input as well as output device. So there are many different devices are there, like pen drive, CD, DVD, fax, webcam, modem, touchscreen. So all these things are there. You just have to keep in mind few things, like what is the meaning of input device and what is the meaning of the output device, and just keep 4 to 5 examples in your mind. It's very easy. You don't need to remember, because in a daily life, in a day-to-day life, we see all these devices around us, राइट? ओके, सो यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट, क्वेरी? एनीवन?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So as far as this computer system is concerned, monitor is easy to understand, keyboard is easy to understand, mouse is easy to understand. Now today we will talk about this. This is your CPU. You call it a CPU, right? So what actually happens inside this CPU, that we will study. So see, this is the diagram. ध्यान से देखना. I'll explain that how actually it works, right? So yes, Praful.
मैम, आप ये पीडीएफ अपलोड करने वाले हो ना?
This PDF recording you mean to say?
Yes. I have
Yes.
forgotten.
Yeah. This recording you will get. Also the PDF content. So also I have uploaded on Moodle. PDF is also already there on Moodle. Okay. So this is your actually basic structure. Basic structure of what? Just forget about this. Just forget about this von Neumann and just keep in mind computer. The basic structure of the computer. So your computer contains all these components: input device, output device, memory, and this whole, this is your CPU. So इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, and all these things together we call computer. So let's start. So see what happens. Very first we will take any example like a printing, right? अभी किसी ने दिया था example to print the document. Suppose I want to take the print of my one file. So what actually we do? This is your input. This is your keyboard, right? You will type something, you will send the command, you will click on something. So that command will go to the, this is connected, this is your wire. It is connected with your arithmetic and logic unit. We call it ALU, right? This is connected with your ALU. तो इनपुट मेरा सबसे पहले जाएगा यहाँ पे. लेट्स से आई वांट टू टाइप समथिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. लेट्स से मेरा नाम मुझे टाइप करना है. सो थ्रू द कीबोर्ड आई एंटर, लेट्स से नेम नेहा. सपोज आई वांट टू प्रिंट नेहा, राइट? सो कीबोर्ड से मैंने NEHA टाइप किया. I typed NEHA through the keyboard. वो NEHA ट्रैवल करता 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 यहाँ पे आया to the ALU. Now what will happen? This NEHA needs to be stored temporarily somewhere to hold the data, right? And for that it will go to the memory. I have not saved yet, but still it requires temporary storage to store this NEHA because अभी कीबोर्ड में था, कीबोर्ड से वो गया ALU के पास, फिर यहाँ मेमोरी में. इट्स अ टेम्पररी मेमोरी. दिस कंट्रोल यूनिट controls all these activities. जितनी भी activities हो रही है, all these activities will be controlled by the control unit. Okay, now because I want to view this name on my screen, on my monitor. So ये क्या करेगा, वापस यहाँ से, okay, I need to take another color. So यहाँ से वो ट्रैवल करता करता यहाँ पे आएगा वापस से. अगेन इट विल स्टोर द वैल्यू हियर दिस NEHA एंड यहाँ से यहाँ on my output screen. So now I can see NEHA on my monitor. So this is how actually your computer works, and all these portions or all these components are very 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 important. Input device, output device, memory, ALU, CU. ALU and CU both are the part of the processor. Processor means your CPU. Is this clear to everyone? Suppose समझ में आया what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, the important components or important parts of any basic computer system is input devices, output devices, memory. Then the CPU or a processor. Processor contains two parts, CU and ALU. So can I say processor is equal to CU plus ALU? So you should know processor matlab your CPU contains control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. Clear? Everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? So processor. Second part is your memory. Then the other part is your input. The next part is output. So these four things you should know. Processor समझ में आ गया? Processor is a combination or a processor contains control unit and arithmetical logic unit. Remember the full forms. CU stands for control unit, ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Input devices we have already discussed, output devices we have already discussed. So if you have any query regarding these 3 points, processor, input and output, you can ask. Any queries, guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Praful.
What's the difference between control unit and arithmetic logic unit? Can you please explain it?
या एक्चुअली मैंने बोला, शायद सुना नहीं आपने. एनीवेज, सी CU stands for control unit, ALU stands for arithmetic and logic unit, right? See, arithmetic and logic unit, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? All the operations, suppose you say you want to perform 3 plus 5, suppose you say that you want to print your name, suppose you want to download the video, suppose you want to listen the music, anything, if you want to do whatever you want to do, everything will be done by this unit, arithmetic and logic unit. Everything, each and everything will be processed by the ALU. But who will control all these operations? Because as I told you, देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान से, see, when you send the data to the machine, right, वो memory में जाएगा, memory will again give back the processed data, this ALU will process the data, again it will go to the output device. So everything should be controlled कि भाई इधर की चीज़ इधर, उधर की चीज़ इधर नहीं होनी चाहिए, and everything will be controlled by the control unit. So control unit का काम क्या है? जितने भी transactions हो रहे हैं, जितने भी processes हो रही है, everything will be controlled by the CU. And actual processing unit is this, arithmetic and logic unit. Every process, each and every process will be done by the ALU only, and all the processes will be controlled by the control unit. Got it?
Thank you.
आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is about the ALU, CU. Now we will talk about the memory. चलो, किसके किसके पास है memory? Okay. Just raise your hand, huh? How many of you have brain? वाह, इतने सारे लोग. Seriously? Very good. किसके पास नहीं है? Let me check. आदर्श. बाकी सब लोगों ने हैंड रेज नहीं किया, मतलब बाकी सब लोगों के पास नहीं है. एनीवेज, ओके, चलो ठीक है, जिसके जिसके पास है उन लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो we will talk about the memory. See, right now I'm teaching you, but suppose you don't have brain, you won't be able to remember all the things. Am I right? At least unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा बोलो, talk something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बाकी सारे लोग? If you don't have brain, if you don't have memory, will you be able to remember all the things whatever I am teaching right now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नहीं होगा, right? Okay, so if you are studying, if I am teaching and you want to remember something, you need memory.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ultimately your brain, ultimately your brain is nothing but your processor, right? Your brain is your processor. When you see, let me draw something just like okay, ड्राइंग पे मत जाना, इतना अच्छा नहीं है मेरा ड्राइंग, but just दिस इज योर आई, राइट। और यहाँ पे एक कंप्यूटर पड़ा है, ठीक है। अब क्या होगा, व्हेन यू सी एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, व्हेन यू सी एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, सो व्हेन यू सी एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, सो फर्स्ट क्या होगा पता है, यू आर सीइंग, यार राइट, यू आर सीइंग, सो हियर योर ब्रेन, दिस इज योर ब्रेन, एंड ब्रेन में this portion is your memory. This is your memory portion. अब क्या होगा पता है, what happens when you see any object, immediately your brain gets activated. ओके भाई मेरे लिए कुछ काम आया है, तो वॉट एवर यू आर सीइंग वो कैप्चर होगा, कैप्चर होके वो मेमोरी ब्रेन में जाएगा। ब्रेन एक प्रोसेस करेगा, यहाँ से कोई प्रोसेस हो रहा है, ओके भाई कुछ आया है इनपुट, ठीक है, वो मेमोरी के पास जाएगा। मेमोरी में कहीं ना कहीं अपना लास्ट लेक्चर पड़ा हुआ होगा, लास्ट लेक्चर जो भी हमने सीखा था, ओके यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है कि भाई इसको तो कंप्यूटर कहते हैं, ठीक है। तो वो वापस ये चीज़ें ब्रेन में आ गई, सॉरी राइट, ब्रेन में आ गई, एंड योर ब्रेन एनालाइज कि ओके दिस इज कॉल्ड द कंप्यूटर, एंड your lips, suppose you are listening something or suppose you are speaking something, then immediately you will speak, okay ma'am this is computer. So see, because this data was here, because of the memory this data was here, you could be able to answer the question कि भाई what is this, ये क्या है, okay क्या हुआ पूरा प्रोसेस, आंखों ने देखा, उसके बाद वो मेमोरी में गया, मेमोरी में जाके उसने ब्रेन के पास गया, ब्रेन ने देखा कि ओके भाई मेमोरी में कुछ ऐसा पड़ा है जो पहले कभी मेरे पास था या ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास है, तो उसने एनालाइज किया एंड इट अलाउज यू टू स्पीक, ओके दिस इज द कंप्यूटर, राइट। सो moral of the story is, if you have memory, if you have memory, you can store it, right, you can store the data, you can store the information. So can we say that the main job of the memory is to store the data, can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the example of our life, right, जो हम करते हैं, but when we talk about the computer, you know, you save your images in your mobile phone, right, when you click any photo वो के गैलरी में जाके store हो जाता है. What does it mean? It means that your mobile has a memory. Your mobile has a memory. In the similar way, even your computer has a memory. Your computer has a memory. So there are different types of memories. Like you must have heard this: RAM, hard disk, ROM. सुना है ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सुना है? Yeah. So all these are the computer memory. The computer memory. RAM है, hard disk है, ROM है. Hard disk is your permanent memory. RAM is your temporary memory. RAM is your temporary memory. What is the difference between the temporary memory and the permanent memory? Whatever we can remember for a long time, we call it a permanent. कभी ऐसा होता है आप लोगों के साथ कि आप लोग अपना नाम भूल जाओ? कौन भूल जाता है? Who is मणिलाल? Who is मणिलाल in our class? देखा है वो रील बहुत आता है आजकल. Guys, you can talk. किसी ने बोला था व्हाट्स योर नेम, मणिलाल नहीं, छोटा क्षत्रिय तेरा नाम मिथिलाल है, वगैरह वगैरह. दिस अ वेरी ट्रेंडिंग रील दिस डेज. सो if you remember things permanently, we call it, we store it in a hard disk. If you want to store the data for a long time or a permanent storage, we store it in a hard disk. टेम्पररी थिंग मतलब कि ठीक है, सपोज आज कुछ खाना खाया तो वो शायद हमें आज या कल तक याद रहेगा. वी वोंट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सो दैट इज योर टेम्पररी मेमोरी, राइट. अभी मैं इफ आई आस्क यू भाई लास्ट ट्यूसडे को क्या खाया था, क्या किया था, बहुत बहुत रेयर ऐसा होता है कि हमें ये चीज़ें याद रहती है, राइट. सो दैट इज़ योर टेम्पररी मेमोरी. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द कंप्यूटर, सो till the moment you are not storing the data, वो पूरा डेटा हमेशा टेम्पररी रहता है. द मोमेंट यू सेव योर डेटा, वो परमानेंट स्टोरेज में जाता है, दैट इज इन द हार्ड डिस्क. So whatever you can see on the screen right now, whatever you can see on my screen, all are there in the memory, but all are temporary data. Why? Because I have not stored it yet. The moment I'll press Ctrl S to save the data, वो हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हार्ड डिस्क में चला जाएगा. कब तक? जब तक I'll not delete it. So that's why we can call it a permanent storage and the temporary storage, and all these are the computer memory. Easy?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. बोर हो जाओ तो बोलना हाँ कि मैम बस आज के लिए इतना. Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The moment you feel कि नहीं भैया दिमाग में नहीं घुसेगा, because there is always a limit, right? So the moment you feel कि बस अब आगे अंदर दिमाग में नहीं घुसने वाला, just let me know. ठीक है, we'll stop there. Okay. So this is about the RAM, hard disk and ROM. चलो अब मुझे कुछ चीज़ें you have to tell me. Have you ever heard कि भाई कंप्यूटर थक गया है? कंप्यूटर बोले नहीं 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 बस यार मैंने बहुत काम कर लिया, आई एम टायर्ड नाउ. सुना है ऐसा कभी?
No, ma'am.
मैक्स टू मैक्स क्या होगा? वो हैंग हो जाएगा. मैक्स टू मैक्स अगर इसको कभी बोलेगा नहीं, चिल्लाएगा नहीं कि बस अब मुझे सोना है, मैं थक गया हूँ, ऐसा बोलेगा कभी?
No, ma'am.
बोलेगा, राइट. सो there are there are many characteristics of a computer. Characteristics of a computer. The first, never get tired. इन सब के लिए टेक्निकल टर्मिनोलॉजी है, हाँ, दैट वी विल सी. अभी सिर्फ समझेंगे. यस प्रफुल्ल.
मैम कंप्यूटर बोल नहीं सकता लेकिन दिखा सकता है कि वो थक गया है.
लेकिन वो कभी काम बंद नहीं करेगा. मैक्स टू मैक्स वो स्लो हो जाएगा.
वो एक दिन कभी ना कभी बंद हो जाएगा.
बंद
जब
हो
वो
जाएगा
बहुत
मतलब
टाइट
नहीं
हैंग हो
बंद.
जाएगा.
मैंने वही बोला ना. यस यू आर राइट, मैंने वही बोला. लेकिन वो हमारी तरह नहीं होगा कि भाई 1 घंटे काम किया और बस अब मुझे सोना है. मैक्स टू मैक्स वो हैंग होगा या स्लो होगा. बट अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? सपोज सी okay, see, there is one pipe. This is pipe. This is the pipe. एक और पाइप है, थोड़ा बड़ा है, राइट. और यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पाइप है, छोटा सा. अब क्या हो रहा है? आई एम ट्राइंग टू फ्लो द वाटर. इसमें मैंने पानी डालना शुरू किया, तो इसकी कैपेसिटी जितनी होगी वो उतना ही पानी अंदर ले पाएगा, राइट. इफ आई ट्राई टू pour the more water, क्या होगा वो? बाहर ओवरफ्लो होगा या बाहर गिरेगा, राइट? सेम वे अगर ये है, ये पाइप, इसमें भी मैंने ऐसा ही किया, इसकी कैपेसिटी थी तब तक वो पूरा पानी गया, बट द मोमेंट आई ट्राइड द एक्सेस वाटर, वो बाहर आ गया। लेकिन वन मोर पाइप आई हैव, उसका कैपेसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड आई एम गिविंग वेरी लेस वाटर, तो वो पूरा यहाँ आराम से रहेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द कैपेसिटी. If you will give the task beyond the capacity of the computer, वो hang हो जाएगा, right? Beyond the capacity. So of course capacity है, but वो कभी थकेगा नहीं. It is not about the get tired, it is about that it does not have that capacity to hold the content which you are giving. Because भाई मेरे पास 1 GB RAM है, right? आपके मोबाइल की बात करते हैं. Suppose there is a capacity of 1 GB RAM and you are working for the 1.5 GB. It won't work. It will give the error. So this error is not because it is tired. This error is because it does not have that capacity to hold it. आपके हाथ में मैक्सिमम एक साथ कितने लड्डू आ सकते हैं? How many? चलो लड्डू छोड़ो. How many French fries you can hold in your hand? Maximum. It depends on the capacity of your hand, right? अगर एक बच्चे के हाथ में देंगे तो कम होगी, आपके हाथ में होगी तो थोड़ी ज्यादा होगी. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So it does not mean that you or that kid don't want to take that French fries. It is about the capacity, holding capacity, right? So when we say that computer never get tired, it means what? कि भाई उसकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है ओवरलोड, ओवरवर्क देना, राइट? उसकी कैपेसिटी से ज़्यादा काम देना. सो दिस इज द one characteristic that it never get tired, but it has certain limitation. भाई उसकी कुछ limitation है, that is the capacity. उसकी कुछ certain कि भाई okay, I can store maximum 2 GB data, उससे ज़्यादा I can't store. So this is the limitation. This is the limitation. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो एक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं एकदम क्विकली. हाँ, I'll ask you the addition, you have to give me answer. 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 15 plus 60. What would be the answer?
79, ma'am.
Wrong.
So this is out of capacity of student.
Exactly. It is not about your capacity, means it's not holding capacity, it's about the speed, right? You can do it, but there is a limitation of your speed कि भाई मैम आराम से बोलो, हम लोग लिखे या तो फिर दिमाग में करेंगे बट धीरे धीरे, right? But the same thing, quickly when I open the calculator and when I type this plus this plus this plus that, कितना फटाफट वो करता है. Can we do that calculations उतना स्पीड में? Can we do that?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We can't, right? So
But
the next can.
ma'am, एक पर्सन ऐसा था जो ये कर सकता था.
हाँ वो मुझे पता है.
Yes.
वो एक्सेप्शनल केस है, मैं सिर्फ प्रफुल्ल की बात कर रही हूँ.
ऐसा है तो मैं नहीं कर सकता.
बस exactly. Okay, so this is about the speed. So one more characteristic of a computer is speed, which we cannot deal with it, right? It does not mean कि हम नहीं कर सकते इसलिए, but yeah, we are only talking about the characteristics of the computer. Like speed is one of the best characteristics. When you go to purchase a cell phone, what normally you ask to the vendor or a shopkeeper कि भाई फोन स्लो नहीं हो जाना चाहिए, हम बोलते हैं ना ऐसा. उसकी स्पीड अच्छी होनी चाहिए, राइट? प्रोसेसिंग पावर ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. मीन्स व्हाट? दैट द स्पीड ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन, speed of computation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो एक और बात करते हैं. सपोज मेरे मेरे लैपटॉप में एक कैलकुलेटर है, राइट? मेरे लैपटॉप में कैलकुलेटर है. आई विल परफॉर्म 5 + 3. व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर?
8.
8. आप अपने कंप्यूटर में करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
वही
8.
आएगा.
वही मीन्स. ओके. दूसरा, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कैलकुलेटर मतलब कंप्यूटर ने कोई आंसर दिया और हम उसको क्रॉस चेक करें खुद से नोट पेन लेके कि भाई उसने सही बोला है नहीं? डू वी एवर डू दिस?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कभी नहीं करते, राइट? कॉमर्स के बच्चों को तो पता है, एग्जाम में हम कैलकुलेटर लेके ही बैठते हैं. अकाउंट्स के सारे सम्स वी यूज टू डू विद द कैलकुलेटर ओनली, राइट? इवन वी नेवर टेक अ लाइक ट्रबल टू राइट ऑन अ पेपर. ऐसा होता है. So the next characteristic is reliability. We can rely on computer. We can rely कि भाई हाँ भाई उसने जो बोला है वो सही ही होगा. So this is another characteristic, reliability. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And one last characteristic, versatility. कोई ऐसा एक्टर है जो सारे रोल कर सकता है, मतलब उसने सारे टाइप के अलग रोल्स किए हो. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द प्रियंका चोपड़ा, उसने बर्फी में एक फिजिकली चैलेंज गर्ल का रोल भी किया था. एट द सेम टाइम वी सी द फैशन मूवी. सो वी कैन से दैट शी इज़ अ वर्सेटाइल एक्टर जो कोई भी रोल कर सकता है, राइट? सेम विथ सम मेनी ऑफ सिंगर्स, लाइक वो कोई भी गाना दे दो, दे कैन सिंग. सो वी यूज दिस टर्म दैट यार ये तो वर्सेटाइल सिंगर है, मतलब उसको कुछ भी दे दो वो आराम से गा सकता है, राइट? The same way when we talk about the computer, so it's a versatile device. Versatile means any kind of job you can give and it will perform very well, right? चाहे वो गेम हो, मूवी हो, कैलकुलेशन हो, डिज़ाइन हो, एनिमेशन हो, कुछ भी कोई भी काम दे दो वो करेगा. एंड दैट्स वाई द वन मोर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज वर्सेटिलिटी. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to tell me, actually we have already discussed this in the last lecture, but again just recall it, where you can use the computer, in which areas, different areas where you can use the computer.
Offices, at home.
Different fields.
Schools, colleges,
Yes.
Banking.
Banking sector,
Malls.
railways,
malls, railways, malls, very good. Then
Airports.
airports, space stations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
During the match, we can see
Yes.
different types of graphics, yes, toll booths. So, in almost every walks of life, we can see the computer, right? हम उसको use कर सकते हैं. So, these are the general uses of the computer. And now, today's last topic. Today's last topic, but I'm going to ask you people. You have to tell me. I'm not going to say a single word. आप लोग मुझे बताओगे जो भी पता हो. चलो. What is this?
Hardware and software.
Yes. चलो बताओ, जिसको जो भी पता है बोलो, फिर मैं लास्ट में अपना ज्ञान दूंगी. You people can share whatever you know. मैम ये हार्डवेयर है, ये सॉफ्टवेयर है, इसको हार्डवेयर कहते हैं, इसको सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं. Whatever you know, you can share. Speak up, guys.
मैम
Hmm.
हार्डवेयर मीन्स वो सब जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं वो हार्डवेयर होता है, और सॉफ्टवेयर वो चीज कि जिसे हम टच नहीं कर सकते.
Very good. This is very basic. Yeah, very good. This is very basic definition we can say. Right. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruvi said the same thing. Hardware is experienced physically while software is non-physical. Right. So anything which you can see, you can touch, that is your hardware. But if you cannot touch it, it is a software. तो चलो बताओ कि ऐसी ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं when we talk about the computer कि ये हार्डवेयर में आएगी और ये सॉफ्टवेयर में आएगी. Let me write down hardware and touch, untouched. चलो ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो हार्डवेयर है और ये कौन सी ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो सॉफ्टवेयर में कंसीडर होगी.
मॉनिटर, सीपीयू, कीबोर्ड,
वो सब क्या है.
हार्डवेयर.
ओके.
Printer.
मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, माउस, कीबोर्ड, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सॉफ्टवेयर
सॉफ्टवेयर मीन्स जो आप अभी लिख रहे हो और आप जिस ऐप पर काम कर रहे हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसे हम टच नहीं कर सकते.
यस, दिस इज माय व्हाइट बोर्ड. वेरी गुड, दिस इज माय व्हाइट बोर्ड. देन पेंट. फिर आपका कोई गेम है, लेट्स से पबजी.
Google Chrome.
या गूगल क्रोम हो गया. all these things which you cannot touch, we all consider as a software. And there are two types of softwares. एक होता है एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड सेकेंड होता है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. There are two types of softwares. One is application and second is a system software. See, we are talking about hardware and software. Hardware means we can touch like mouse, keyboard, monitor. Software means we can't touch like all the applications inside your computer like whiteboard, paint, PUBG or games, Google, all. So there are two types of softwares, application softwares and the system software. What does it mean? In all the computers you can find operating system, that is Windows. किसी में एप्पल है तो फिर iOS होगा. Windows you can find. ऐसा कोई भी कंप्यूटर है जिसमें Windows ना हो? No, ऐसा कोई भी. So this is your system software. Means to run the computer, to work with the computer, you need this software. We call it a system software, which is exclusively made up to run the computer, to operate the computer. Right? So these are the system software. But okay, it is not necessary कि भाई सबके कंप्यूटर में टैली हो. It is not necessary कि भाई सबके मोबाइल में पबजी हो. It is not necessary कि सबके फ़ोन में कैनवा हो. Right? So all these are application softwares. Application softwares means these softwares are made up for some certain purpose, for some certain reasons, right? Through which you can do that particular job. So it is not necessary that you can find all the softwares, all the application softwares in each and every mobile or each and every computer. Someone raised the hand. Yes, Dhruvi.
Ma'am, what does tally mean?
टैली इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर, अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. मुझे लगा कि आप लोगों को पता होगा. टैली इज अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. या ओके, जस्ट लाइक वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, ये सब. इफ आई डोंट वांट पावर पॉइंट इन माय कंप्यूटर, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि भाई मुझे रखना ही पड़ेगा. आई कैन नॉट इंस्टॉल इट, राइट? बट आई कांट रन माय कंप्यूटर विदाउट विंडोज, राइट? सो These are the system applications and this system softwares, and these are the application softwares. चलो बोलो. Any doubt, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay.